Okay, I've decided I'm going to start to review my trades in videos as a way of keeping a kind of video journal as I go along. So today's trade was in Euro US dollar off of the daily. Friday's daily close was an engulfing candle, and more importantly, on the 1 hour, we had a 5-wave advance here, which is an impulsive advance, and we saw a 3-wave decline following that. So that was the first signal that a correction could be over. There was still the possibility that the correction would come down further against the 5-wave advance, but seeing how this candle here, the one in the center, closed with a green top, it gave the impression that it was more bullish, and the close down here was within the previous wick, and down on the 15-minute there was a small hammer and a level of support. So that was the buy there at 267 for a 50-point move up to 317 here, closing at the shooting star, which ultimately went above. So that was today's trade, and based off of the long-term chart, we're still holding support in Euro US dollar. I'm considering that we may be looking at a triangle here with wave C completed, but that is only a consideration and it's not really my preferred view. I can still hold a more bearish view in that price is only seeing a bounce up here. Maybe 3 bigger waves like this, or maybe 3 waves as they stand now will be enough. Let's see how the 4-hour closes, because so far it's only 3 up, so I'll have to judge it with when more information comes in. But on the 4-hour here, the 16 February high, it is still possible that we have a leading move here, an obvious 3-wave correction, which I've talked about before, and now here, this move here is a leading diagonal. So it offers the possibility that a 3-wave correction against this will set up the next bearish downward move. So that is what I'm preferring to see. So I'm going to judge weakness as it comes in on 4-hour closes and price action over the next day or two. See what happens this week. Can't say there's so much bullish about how the price action is. It's just we've had like 6-7 weeks of sideways action still holding trend, and there is the possibility of a daily triangle, but my count overall still has 5 waves essentially done into 16 February, and that's what I prefer to work. So I'm going to update this as and when I take trades, and I'm going to keep it honest and to the points I've always talked about. So let's see how it goes. I'm using it again mostly for review. My stop on this idea was at the low, and I was considering also that we may see a further corrective part here, but that did not happen, and the local price action informed that it was becoming less likely. So from here we reset. 1 hour is engulfing the previous candle. I want to see how the 4-hour closes, and I'm going to work the idea that this could be a leading move here, as I talked about already. Okay, cheers.